All right, good morning, everybody. Let's talk about weather. It is a beautiful start to the day. Happy Saturday, everybody. You know, we're seeing a blue sky this morning, plenty of sunshine, but one thing that you don't necessarily see in this picture are the winds. Winds will continue to expand as we head later into this morning and into the afternoon hours. That will be quite an issue, especially for our wind-prone areas of Southern California. Temperature-wise, to start the day, waking up to a lot of 40s, 48 downtown, as well as for LAX, Van Nuys at 44 degrees, 42 in Camarillo. Lancaster seeing some clouds, winds out of the west at 18 miles an hour, and temperatures in the upper 40s. So we're seeing a little bit of rain and snow activity to the north of us. That is going to stay there as this trough will continue to move eastward. And you know what? For us here in Southern California, we don't have any rain or snow in the forecast. But again, what we do have are the winds, and wind advisories are in place for all areas you see shaded in brown here. So that does include the mountain communities of Southern California, the Basin, as well as portions of Ventura County, the Santa Clarita Valley, and the San Fernando Valley. Now watch when I put futurecast into motion here. You'll see winds starting to expand by this afternoon and into this evening. We're talking about gusts anywhere from 40 to 45, even 50 miles an hour, especially up in those higher elevations. And then watch as winds shift to the northeast as we head into this evening and into tomorrow. So that is that typical Santa Ana wind pattern. So we will have those winds continuing into our Sunday, and what you will absolutely notice by tomorrow will be the warmer temperatures. So when we've got this push of offshore flow, these Santa Ana winds plus high pressure building in, that is going to allow our temperatures to warm up. So you'll see high pressure again building in here, but then it's as we head into the middle and the end of the week that we'll start to feel some cooler temperatures return to Southern California. But as far as the warm up, I'm talking mid to upper 70s, some areas even in the lower 80s. But temperature wise this afternoon, well, we'll be close to average. So average being in the upper 60s. We've got 69 downtown, mid 60s in Burbank, 62 in Santa Clarita, 56 as we head east of the mountains in the high desert, mid 40s in Big Bear City, and upper 70s as we head to Palm Springs. So here's your weekend forecast. Upper 60s this afternoon. No shortage of sunshine. Continuing to see the clear skies through Sunday, but temperatures will boost up by definitely about 60, even 10 degrees in some areas. So we will be in the mid 70s as we head into tomorrow. Warm temperatures even continuing into Monday, nearing 80 degrees for some areas, especially the valleys by Monday. And then we'll start to cool off. Our temperatures will still be above average as we head into the middle and end of the week. That's been a look at your forecast, your sports.